Hi, I'm Terri Berry, and this is video 2 for my open medical case study. In this video, I'm going to cover my 8-week treatment plan. When developing Tommy's treatment plan, I considered multiple factors: her significant recent weight loss of 80 pounds, her postmenopausal status, and visible signs of both intrinsic and extrinsic aging, including elastosis, moderate dyschromia, and compromised barrier function. The foundation is a nourishing facial protocol, which I will modify each week based on skin analysis. And then I will rotate between microchanneling, glycolic acid peels, microcurrent therapy, and red LED therapy. I chose microchanneling specifically to create controlled microchannels to allow for better ingredient penetration, and it will initiate wound healing cascade. My goal is to perform 1 to 2 glycolic acid peels during the 8 weeks to help with accelerating cellular turnover to address dyschromia and rough texture while simultaneously promoting collagen synthesis at the dermal level. I will incorporate red LED 630 to 660 nanometers to increase ATP synthesis, microcurrent therapy to complement the biological stimulation with bioenergetic support. Microcurrent increases ATP production at the cellular level and stimulates facial muscles, improving tone and contour. I will also loan her an at-home MyoLift microcurrent QT device. My ingredient selection centers on barrier restoration and cellular signaling. The peptide complex that I chose includes arginine, which will address dynamic expression lines by modulating neurotransmitter release, while multi-weight hyaluronic acid provides layered hydration, peony root extract, and hollyhock extract because they enhance cellular energy efficiency and stimulate both collagen and elastin synthesis. 2 IV therapy sessions will be performed by Forever Young. These will be used to target signs of aging skin by delivering vitamins C, B complex, and antioxidants directly into the bloodstream for hydration, collagen support, detoxification, and cellular repair, aiming to reduce wrinkles, brighten skin, and slow aging signs from within.